Okay, here we go. Come on. You big, beautiful black Betty, you. God. It's time for what's in my camera bag. What's up everyone, Dustin Siga here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going through my camera gear. If you want to start creating content, or you want to buy that plane ticket, quit your job and start making travel videos, or do this. This is an example of a gear set list that you can have, that you can buy today and get started. So let's start on the outside and work our way in. My backpack, my camera bag, which I love, is the GoPro 450 tactical camera bag. Now they recently released the second version of it. Really great update. I don't have it. I have the Model 1. This backpack is fantastic. It is traveler friendly. I have never had to check it. With my camera gear, it's like a part of me. I can't part with it. Which, that's like abandonment issues. I don't check this luggage because this equipment is expensive. If it ever got lost or anything or stolen or damaged, I would lose my mind. I would probably start crying. So this bag is perfect. It fits in the overhead bins in airplanes, every single plane I've been on, even tiny little Cessna planes, it fits. So what I love about this bag is that I can have all of my gear and all my entire office, all my equipment that I need to make these videos in the bag with me. It has a laptop sleeve, it has interchangeable dividers so you can organize it however you want. I can fit my drone, my laptop, my hard drives, my memory cards, my camera, my lenses, my audio equipment, and even my lighting. All in the one bag. Love it. GoPro, check them out. They have tons of different options besides the tactical version. I originally started, when I first started doing this, it was a 350. I upgraded to the 450 just because I needed to fit everything and I acquired more gear. What camera do I use? I am a Panasonic shooter. I am shooting currently on the GH4 with the 12 to 35mm lens. Panasonic, fantastic cameras. They are great. No, I'm not a Canon shooter. No, I am not a Sony shooter. I shoot Panasonic. The GH4 is one of the older models. The Panasonic has just been releasing newer and newer cameras. Their video cameras are fantastic, but I needed a camera that wasn't just made for videos. I also want to take photos as well. You can shoot videos, you can shoot time lapses, you can shoot 4K if you wanted to. You can shoot 4K 30 frames or 1080 96 frames per second. Super slow motion does not work in 4K sadly on this model, which is why I want to upgrade to the GH5. So excited. If you've seen any YouTuber, any vlogger, anything, you'll probably recognize this. This is the Joby, I think this is the 5K version. This is the Joby Gorillapod. Perfect for your travel YouTubers. If you want to have just a little run and gun system, which I was rocking for the longest time, all my stuff needed to be compact and traveler friendly. That's where Joby comes in. This thing is fantastic. You can set this up on the end of the table if you want to shoot tutorial stuff like this, or you're running around vlogging, filming yourself. Plus, you can shape this however you want. You can wrap this around a tree, a railing, on a boat, bus, everywhere. It works everywhere. It's very versatile. Versatile. I'm gonna say versatile, I'm probably wrong. This is the Traveler's Tripod. Now what I edit on is a MacBook Pro laptop. I originally started with a MacBook Air, but I had to upgrade just because the MacBook Air couldn't handle the video files once I started creating content professionally. So I roll with the MacBook Pro 2017, I think it's 2017 laptop. It's my mobile office. It can do my video editing and my photo editing, uploads, everything. Next, for your action stuff, and if you want to get a little bit wet and wild, GoPros. This is the GoPro Hero 5. They recently released the GoPro Hero 7, which has incredible image stabilization. There are some content creators out there that are strictly GoPro shooters, and they do some fantastic work. GoPros, unbelievable cameras. When they first came out with this was a game changer. God, I hate saying game changer. Anyway, I digress. GoPros, fantastic cameras. You can shoot slow motion on these now. They film in 4K. Ridiculous. Like, the image quality and video quality that you can get out of GoPros from when they first started, however many years ago when they first released to what they are now, unbelievable. GoPros, a worthwhile investment. You can get the straps, you can get the mounts, you can get the selfie sticks. This thing is also a tripod, has a little tripod stand in the bottom if you want to set up your GoPro. You honestly can start doing very high quality videos from GoPros now, which is ridiculous. It wouldn't be a travel YouTuber without a drone. I have the MacBook Pro by DJI. Fantastic drone. You can shoot in 4K, you can do photos, you can do videos. Drones are incredibly useful. These are great for showing where you're at in the world, showing the destination, beautiful landscape. Compact, it fits in my camera bag, it folds down, collapses. So with making all these videos and photos, you're gonna need some storage because your laptop, trust me, it will fill up immediately after just doing a couple of videos. So you're gonna need some storage. Hard drives. This is the Lacy 2 GB rugged hard drive. I hate the orange. I wish they released it in black. Like this, I open up my camera bag and I see it staring at me, mocking me. I hate it. I also have a Seagate 1 TB hard drive. This one filled up immediately after 6 months of travel. This filled up very quickly. I also have 5 TB Seagate Big Mama is what I named her. Yes, I name all my camera gear. Yes, my backpack has a name. Her name is Black Betty. I like to stay organized. This is a memory card, B-Weight? Yeah. B-Weight memory card case and protector. It's waterproof, it's water sealed. Open it up. You can fit your micro SD cards, SIM cards, different phone cards from different countries, adapters, everything I need. All my memory cards are in here for all my cameras. And it's compact, sleek, compact, perfect. Fits in with my hard drives. Filters cases. This is important for shooting videos. I will be explaining the importance of having ND filters for if you're a videographer, how important these are. This is a variable ND filter. You use these for when you're shooting outdoors in light. I will explain that in a different video though. But little Tika. This holds all of my filters and diffusers for my little travel light as well. In my arsenal, I have 3 lenses. What I'm filming on right now is the Lumix 12-35 f2.8 OIS optic image stabilized lens. This is a worthwhile lens to invest in. When I first started, I had this little 25mm, also known as the Nifty 50, and an Olympus lens. Then I decided to actually invest money and get a lens with image stabilization, and I haven't looked back. This lens is a workhorse. It does everything that I need to. It can get nice and wide. You can zoom in, punch in and out for some important things if you wanted to. And it's just a really great all-around versatile lens. If I were to recommend anyone to buy a lens, get a 12-35. And the equivalence of a full frame, this would be a 24-70. All around, just, it's like the Swiss Army knife of lenses. It can do portraits, it can do landscape, you can do zoomed in shots. It checks most of the boxes most of the time. This is the 25mm Lumix f1.8. This is a very fast lens, 1.8. It's good for low light photography. Little cheap, it's plastic, it's not weather sealed, but it does the trick. If you're in a bind and you're shooting at night and in low light situations, this is actually useful. It's the equivalent of a 50mm. So the other lens I really love is the 45mm macro. This is a image stabilized f2.8. It's fast enough and you can punch in for your macro shots. This thing is incredible for portraits. I'll be talking more about this lens in another video. One last really important thing to have if you're a travel content creator or just traveler, backup battery bank. This thing saves your life. It will come in handy more often than you think. Invest in a good one. Anker battery bank. 2 USB ports on it. This has the ability to charge my phone like 8 times if it dies throughout the day. Very useful, can charge your GoPros, cameras, phones, all that fun stuff. And that's it, everyone. That's what's in my camera bag. Is it the best gear to use? Is it the right stuff for you? No. Depends on what you shoot and what you're after in content creation. But you know what to do. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, 2019 style. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. This coffee's cold. It got cold very quickly after making this video. I'm gonna go make more coffee.